Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I got a package. As you know, I did get mystery box 22, and I was not excited about it. I have succeeded in trading my two mystery canvases, and I've done a live video with the title I've got mail. I got mail, or you got mail. I don't. One of those two. Either I got mail or you got mail. You may have gotten mail, but I don't know. I don't remember what the title was, but the word mail was in the live title. So, and it was yesterday, Monday, August 24th. So if you want to see what I got, you can go back and watch that video as I clean up diamonds from this morning's live. All right. This is the second trade. I traded both my mysteries, and I did a trade with a wonderful lady named Sally Marsh. She was on the D-Stash group, and she was destashing some mystery canvases. So I asked her if she would do a trade. And she said yes. So we did a trade, a 1-for-1. And she mailed hers and I mailed mine. And here it is. This one is Mystery Kit Landscapes Summer Activities by Raphael R. Trujillo. Trujillo. Sorry, Raphael. I think I killed it. It's 36.6 inch by 27.6 inch, a 92.8 centimeter by a 69.9 centimeter. I'm looking at centimeters a little different now because of the mega challenge next year. And that 150 by 50, that's, I have nowhere to do one that big. It's just craziness. So this is mystery number, who knows? Oh, mystery number 70. So I'm gradually getting all the kits that I want. Gradually. So I think that's how I'm going to get my mysteries, is by getting these mystery boxes, getting the mystery kits that I don't want, and then trading them. There is nothing else in this box. Okay. All right. So let's look. This thing is massive. But it's one that I've been wanting. And the Treasure Quest card was right here on the top. And it is a bronze. Of course it's a bronze. Okay. And here's the colors. You ready for the colors? Whoop, whoop. Ta-da! There is none. But there is no 6,000 colors. But we do have 2 ABs and 3 fairy dust drills. Nice. So this is a mystery kit. So spoiler alert, spoiler. If you don't want to see anything about it, look away. Whoopsie. If you want to see the canvas and the drills, stay tuned. Look. See why I wanted it? Look at how nice. There we go. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. So the label on the bag does match, but I don't know if the colors match. I would think so. But of course I will do an inventory, but because this was purchased on a D-stash, that will not help me. I mean, if I buy the drills, I think they will. So look away, look away. Okay. Oh. This has got the red on here. Woo! There's no red lines on the canvas. For a second, I was a little worried because I don't like the red lines on the canvas, but there are no red lines on this canvas. So, all right, let me show you. Okay. All right, I'm not gonna. It's pretty big. It's a big one. So this is number 70. And now that I've gotten the kit, I have looked at the images on the mystery page and I wrote down numbers that I want, but I don't go back because I want to forget what this is. So the ABs are going to be the W and the U-turn. So this one is going to be hard for me to bling up because I don't know what I'm blinging up. So I'm just going, I do mysteries as charted. Unless I just pick a color and go for it. Like there's something here. I might bling that up. See the lines? And that is a normal white drill. So maybe I will bling that up with fairy dust. I don't know, but that's what I'm saying. They're hard to bling up because you don't know what you're blinging up. So a mystery kit, you have to take your time and literally do it a square at a time. And the background colors are irrelevant. You don't need to worry about background colors. So if I'm working in this square right here, there's U's, hearts, and a dot, and one of the sideways infinity signs. So if I'm working on these squares right here, I only need to worry about the symbol. So I need the U. I'm going to find the color that the U is, the container, and I'm going to place them on the U. Don't worry about the background. The background colors and the words on the canvas are there to distract you from seeing the actual image. So when you do it, you want to just do a square at a time. You don't want those clear ones, you know, the clear release papers. So you might want to change this out for regular release paper so you can't see what's around you and you just focus on the square. And I guarantee you, you will love it. You will love it. Just focus on one square at a time and each individual square in the square. You got it? Are you all square? So that's, if you can just pretend this is a small diamond art project and just worry about one square at a time, you're good to go. Okay? Don't sweat it. Take your time. It's not a race. and enjoy watching the image pop. These I love because you can't even see the colors on here. So the image will pop, which is what I want. I like it when the image pops. So again, here is the colors. Aren't they pretty? Look at that. 742 is the letter N. And the N is not even in this square. Nope. So it's hard to see where everything goes because you can't, there's no shades. Here's some ends right here. There's ends right here and ends here. So that's all going to be the orange. But it's hard to go over the special symbols because I can't, you have to really look at each square. And I am not, when I do the mystery canvases, I'll explain more about it. So right now I'm working on 2 big ones. And as soon as I get them both done, then I'll probably pull out a mystery. But one of the next ones I'm pulling out is Candy Waterfalls, which is a really big one. That is on my list. I want to do that one. So, yeah. All right. Well, that's what I have. This is my unboxing of my mystery unicorn. And it is a square drill. And it looks like, see, there's some straggler drills in here. But I'm going to leave it secure because I think this bag here is got a hole. So it's open. Or this one. So I'm not going to open it because I don't want them to go all over the place. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but there's some drills floating around in here. See? Some drills. They're pink. You know what? Maybe I will open it and then secure it. That bag's not open. Okay, not that one. I don't know. Not that one either. This one's not open either. I don't know. Don't know what bag's open. But we're good. So pretty, right? Okay, everyone. You have a great, great day. And be kind to everyone. Bye. Let's try that again. Bye.